To set the gun up for weld pins, install the Euro to B-collet adapter as shown. Next, insert the B-collet into the adapter and tighten the set screws snugly. Once the B-collet is installed, place the collet protector over the B-collet and secure as shown. To complete the setup, adjust the spring pressure preload knob to indicate position 2. To apply weld pins, fully insert the weld pin through the tip of the collet protector. The weld pin will engage the collet inside the protector. Use the floating technique as demonstrated here. Apply moderate pressure to compress the gun shaft, but do not compress the shaft fully. Depress the trigger when you are ready to weld. To secure installation after applying weld pins, use washers as shown. Once weld pins are trimmed, the sharp point can be covered by installing a dome cap, as demonstrated. Here, from left to right, we have a cold weld, a correct weld, and a hot weld. Proper surface prep is essential to getting good, consistent welds. Be sure to sand or grind rusty or painted surfaces so you are welding onto clean, shiny metal. Collet condition is paramount to getting quality welds. This collet is missing its O-rings. Using loose, worn, or damaged collets can lead to arc damage of the studs. We here at Stud Welding Products hope you found this video helpful. If you would like more information, please visit our website at studweldprod.com or give us a call at 1-800-252-1919. Thank you for watching.